Welcome to the 21-day Glute Challenge. Over the next 3 weeks, we'll guide you through a series of exercises designed to strengthen your glutes, improve your posture, and enhance your athletic performance. And the best part, no equipment is needed, making this challenge accessible for everyone. So, follow along daily for the best results. Let's get started. Before we dive into the workouts, it's important to warm up properly. We'll start with some dynamic stretches. First, glute bridges, 10 reps to activate your glutes. Next, leg swings, 10 reps per leg to loosen up the hips. Finally, body weight squats, 10 reps to warm up the lower body. Warming up is crucial to prevent injury and improve performance, so don't skip it. Now let's break down what each week of the challenge will look like. In week 1, we'll focus on foundation and activation. This means activating the glutes and building endurance with exercises like glute bridges, donkey kicks, and fire hydrants. Moving on to week 2, we'll increase the intensity and introduce compound movements for strength and growth. You'll be doing exercises like Bulgarian split squats, step-ups, and sumo squats. Finally, in week 3, we'll add advanced variations to sculpt and define your muscles. Expect exercises like single-leg glute bridges, curtsy lunges, and jump squats. Ready to transform your glutes? Let's go. Alright, let's dive into the daily workouts. For days 1 through 7, we're starting with glute bridges, 3 sets of 15 reps, donkey kicks, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg, fire hydrants, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg, and bodyweight squats, 3 sets of 15 reps. Moving on to days 8 through 14, Bulgarian split squats, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg, step-ups, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg, sumo squats, 3 sets of 15 reps, and side-lying leg lifts, 3 sets of 15 reps per leg. Finally, for days 15 through 21, single-leg glute bridges, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg, curtsy lunges, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg, jump squats, 3 sets of 10 reps, and clamshells, 3 sets of 15 reps per leg. Now let's move on to cool down and stretching. For static stretches, we'll start with the pigeon pose. Hold for 20 seconds per leg to stretch the glutes. Next, the seated forward fold hold for 20 seconds to stretch the hamstrings. And finally, the butterfly stretch hold for 20 seconds to stretch the inner thighs. Cooling down is super important to reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Let's talk about nutrition tips for glute growth. First, protein intake. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Good sources include lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, and beans. Next, healthy fats. These play a role in hormone production and muscle growth. Consider sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. And don't forget hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for recovery and performance. To wrap things up, let's recap the benefits of the 21-day Glute Challenge. Consistency is key to seeing results, so stick with it. We'd love to hear about your progress or any questions you might have, so please share in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fitness content. Thanks for joining us.